Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check a battery level for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro on your iPhone. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget. So press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and add widget. Scroll down and you need to find batteries. And right here we have it. Click on it and here's 3 presets for you. Select the best one and then click add widget. And you can check a battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your earbuds is turned on and connected to your phone. Now, the second option and the better option is to use an application. Open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds here, you will see the same menu. And right here we have the information about the left and right earbuds and also a charging case. So this is the second option. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!